nothing at all is the goal, you know the object. You just relax and your body gets weak, and sometimes your mind can't find the time to even think. Still in bed, had my pillows all set up. I'm glad I had the remote because I didn't want to get up. I knock at the door, oh no, a problem's involved. Nah, I wasn't getting up if it was nicks involved. Flick the channel on 4 to chill and watch the Cosbys. A ring from the phone, who could it be? Oh, the posse. Picked up the phone and all I heard was bass pounding. Asked the kid what he was doing and I replied, lounging. Put on your clothes, tonight we're gonna wing it. Nah, not tonight, my man, I can't swing it. Hung up the phone, no way my night was gonna be ruined. No need to ask what's happening, cause you know what I'm doing. Lounging. This is true. Lounging. Here's a perfect example of lounging. For those who don't understand, well, I'll change it all around and put it in a way so you won't forget. And for all your fight fans, boxing is the subject. The fight of the year, at least that's what we all thought. Went to Atlantic City and a ticket I bought. Watched all the other boring fights, now here's the main event. And it better be good, cause all my money is spent. The fight was Tyson and the Sphinx Jinx. An old brother from the opening bell, he was running for cover. Shaky in the start and none of his punches landed. Tyson hit the fool and he almost got branded. Changed his approach, looked like he started to get busy, but he started to get dizzy. I'm wondering, is he have hope? Nope. Oh, he came a shot to the body. He fell to one knee, but he got up around 3. The Sphinx Jinx wasn't nothing but a hoax. You don't believe me? Watch the tape when he flew through the ropes. 91 seconds is all the time I needed for him to get beat. You know, defeated. Yo, the people's champion is what he claimed. Talking smack got him cracked and almost maimed. Didn't get up till they cleaned up. He really took a pound and asked my man this when he hit the canvas. Yo, Sphinx, what you doing, man? I'm lounging. And you know it. I'm lounging. I'm lounging. I'm lounging. I'm lounging. Believe it. I'm lounging. And you know that. I'm lounging. And you know that. So now you know what lounging means, so just proceed to do what I do. Don't ask why, because you need to. Sit back, relax, in fact, take a chill. If you don't or you won't, don't worry, because I still will. Lounging is my hobby, like Bo Jackson's is football. My second occupation is what you could call it. It's not a sport, there's no course, no points scored. What we have in common, I found out, we take timeouts. Yo, there ain't no halftime after I say my last rhyme. Handed down to generations, a favorite pastime. You can't lounge, who the hell you think you're fooling? You need some lounge schooling, and I'ma keep coolin'. Who needs to be hype on every record you make? Why don't you chill for a second and give it a break? I'm speaking to whoever, whether it's you or your crew, and no need to get excited, cause you know what I'm doing.